In this next step, we're going to go ahead and show you how to gain access to the electronics in case you need to replace any of the switch, LED driver, or the lights. And we're going to begin with removing the filters, which have already been removed. And after that, we're going to go ahead and remove the side panels, which is on this unit, it's 1 and then 2 on the other side. They're all being held in by 4 screws, so it's going to be 2 to each side. They're located here and here. Same goes for this side, top and bottom. Now that we removed all 4 screws, we can go ahead and take off the side panel. And the next step is going to be removing the again, the centerpiece that holds all the electrical components. And this is being held in place by 2 screws. One here, right in the corner, and the other one is right on the adjacent corner. Now that both screws have been removed, we can go ahead and gain access to the control panel. And be sure when you're doing this to have one hand on this, as this may drop down when it's installed. So go ahead and make sure that you have a nice grip on it. Slide it down, and now you have access to the control panels. Alright, now that we have access to the control panel, we're going to go ahead and remove the light bulbs. And in this step, we're actually going to be removing the twist tie first. So it may be either a twist tie or a zip tie, depending on what you have. With this twist tie, just go ahead and remove that. Once you got that out, go ahead and follow the wiring harness for whichever light needs to be replaced. And then once you get to the end of it, you're going to see the connection point. Go ahead and disengage that, unlock it. Alright, now it's removed from the harness. Now simply push, apply pressure on the back of the bulb, and it comes right out. Alright, now we're ready to go ahead and install the new LED bulb. And as you can see, here's our new LED light fixture. We're going to start by feeding the connector through the outside, from outside to the inside. Feed it through the opening. Once you got that set, go ahead and adjust the light, and you're simply going to place pressure on the outside of the bulb to engage the springs to hold onto the plate. And go back to the connection that was used for the light. Remake your connection. And simply just go ahead and run it back to the main base. If you're using zip ties, go ahead and reinstall one. And if you have the twist tie, just go ahead and wrap it around again, give it a twist, and everything's ready to go.